In this unprecedented time, lead generation is on high priority to acquiring new customers. Replacing traditional methods to improve financial services requires strategic planning, technological advancement, and original content marketing ideas to survive in the digital age. Getting acquainted with various social media platforms and understanding your target audience will help you reach wider. To maintain a healthy lead pipeline, they need to be where their audience is. Find the best social media platform for your industry. Rethinking online and offline events and other online opportunities like webinars, podcasts, live streaming, live Q&A, online sessions, and live feeds, or published demo videos. Financial brands should be able to handle issues such as security, confidentiality, and digital fraud to build trust and loyalty between the company and the end user. FinTech brands are coming up with innovative solutions that can help with financial close, more visibility and transparency to financial transactions, centralized data, and cloud support. Considering the threat posed by cybercriminals and fraudsters, the financial system needs to handle this risk smartly. Almost 33% of millennials believe they won't need a bank at all in 5 years. Millennials are fueling the FinTech market. FinTech media house and publications need to focus on creating authoritative FinTech content on trending topics. Lastly, remember, these challenges are temporary, and all we need to do is focus on digital transformation for customer satisfaction. Reach out to us if you are looking for any assistance with B2B FinTech advertising, content syndication, and demand gen solutions.